Hi there, welcome back to Kombo Beach Resort. Today I'm here to show you something very special and new. You guys already know we have our different events for the week, but we have something brand new added to it, which is our weekend grill. Starting from Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we usually have our grill nights here and you don't want to miss it. So today I'm going with you, and of course I came with my mom to have dinner. So follow us and we'll show you what we have for you guys.
mbokk yi ñu ngi fi nga xamante ne mooy Kombo Beach Hotel xam ngeen ne Kombo Beach Hotel suñ ko waxee rek xel yi dem si li nga xamante ne mooy rafetaay bi xel yi dem si lekkay kon bu ko kenn ratee fii ci Kombo Beach Hotel ay ca ma ànd ak sama doom bi ñu dem.
And more again, you guys can see it here on our board. The grill is every Friday from 7 p.m. And we also have the Sunday family brunch. You're already used to that. And we also have the pool pass where you can bring your family and your kids to enjoy our wonderful atmosphere and the pool. So what we're going to do is just get inside and have our dinner.
Like, subscribe.
And this is what we have for you today.
The menu looks very nice and
Yes.
it has everything that I want on a dinner table.
Yes,
So I
definitely.
think I'm going to go with the fish because I'm a seafood person.
dafa mel ni seen menu bi li ma bëgg a yëg mu ngi si menu bi tamit.
Wow.
te tamit xam ngeen moom man dama like li nga xamante ne mooy xam nga ñett seafood lañ like.
Wow.
parce que foroxal bi.
waaw.
foroxal.
I want to say thank you so much because I really enjoyed the food. Everything was healthy, it was nice, and I love the service from the staff as well. It was actually absolutely an amazing evening.
Yes.
And we hope to be back here to bring you more of the facilities and more of the service that we have in the restaurant and inside the hotel. So in the count of 3, we say Kombo Grill Night. 3, 2, 1, Kombo Grill Night.
Like, subscribe.